So we're back to this Alimyon restaurant here, way up in the hill. Can't really get a good idea of what it's like up here, but I'll add some other photos of how high we're up once we get up to the restaurant. But we're going to be climbing up there quite a ways. I don't even know if you can see the restaurant here, but it goes up pretty far, so we'll see what's going on with it.
Dili ka katongtong diri ay. Magtaas na, magliso. Taas na. Sige, kitang duha.
Whoa, there she goes. There she goes.
You gotta climb up the tree.
Sige, open ka pa. Kumuha ko sa pagtako. Kumuha kang tako.
You put the sign also.
Us.
I can't get it.
We're going back.
Okay, y'all scoot together. I got the sign, I got Kathy. Scoot. Y'all gotta scoot together, just toward the car.
Oh, right.
Scoot together.
Closer. I don't think my signal up this way.
I wasn't worried about internet.
There's the restaurant there.
No.
They're still doing more. They added some things like this little place to sit out, look at the sunrise.
Maglapit tayo, nakita naman yung car. Kapit tayo nga, ay nalagi, nakita tawag mo.
Now, up that way, Robert, is that where the twin is? That's where I'm from. Thunder, Westbrook, Paul George, and Stephen Adams. Used to be Dewey. How about some Everybody look at the camera.
Pwede yan, 60 ko lang ay 20.
Oh, wow! Ako magbibilang.
She is American. Is it done yet?
You check. Good?
Very good.
Okay.
Better than bacon and eggs.
Pero mas lang ito yung mukhang bake.
Oh. Wala pa man ko makabikan. Picture naman eh.
Video siya niya. I-bake na.
Click na. Okay. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Ang kuan ani. Secret magod ani naman yung take picture. Pictures pa more.
Mo yung ginatanaw niya, gipakita ko niya. Yung ko, diha to sila sikatin, nakaadto sila, pero mo sad akong nakita niya a year ago. Nag-comment siya nga, igbalik mo, balik tangad to. Igabot na ako, mo balik tangad to.